Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2015 through 2022 GMC Canyon Crew Cab. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars, set of two, available in silver or black, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. We'll go over these parts in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit will include a set of four rubberized metal door frame brackets. Here's a sample of one. The one that comes with the fitting kit for this vehicle may differ slightly. And then also four rubber base pads. Both of these have numbers that are associated to them that correspond to numbers in the instruction sheet, guiding you towards putting the correct base pad and clip on the correct foot. Starting with this foot, I'll take off the cover. With the cover removed, you can see we've applied the sticker indicating that this foot will be designated for the front left position. So to do that, we would just locate the pivoting base at the bottom and align the rubber base against that and press around the perimeter to hold that in place. And then we'll take the door frame bracket and insert it and press. We'll get a click, and then that's what's involved with attaching those components there. Now within the foot, you'll notice there's this metal silver tab, and when you press on that, that will open up the area that you slide the load bar into. So let's do that next. So this is the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. We've cut this one down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top. That track is accessible from the end cap that pivots out of the way. Certain accessories slide into here with their included hardware to give you a clean, integrated method of attachment. Also gives you the ability to position your carriers anywhere along the length of the bar. On the underside of the bar, again, you see we have a slot here, and that's where we install the foot. There's a measuring device, and that measuring device has numbers, and again, those numbers correspond to numbers that are on the instruction sheet to guide you to the correct placement of the foot on the bar. So let's do that next. I'll go ahead and take off the end cap, and then I'll take the foot as we had a moment ago and press in on those silver tabs and then slide the foot onto the bar. On the underside here, we'll bring it down right to the tab there so that we have it at the designated measurement. Now you'll notice we have an open area here left over. We need to fill that in with the provided rubber. And to do that, you just press that rubber, you cut that to the correct length and fill in that space. That'll help maintain the good aerodynamics of this load bar. Now we can go ahead and replace the end cap just by pressing that on. Okay, then Thule provides a tool to tighten the fastener here. And this tool is unique in that the handle has a torque indicator. So as you get fully tightened, this handle will click, indicating that it's been tightened all the way. Okay, now we can go ahead and replace the cover. And this plastic plug, you just give that a quarter turn to hold that cover into place. Although you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a metal lock cylinder. Now that metal lock cylinder, you can purchase those separately in sets of four so that all four of your feet are key matched. You can also purchase these in sets of 6 and 8, and even special order additional lock cylinders so that you can have not only your roof rack all key matched, but also carriers and other Thule gear that you may have. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the GMC Canyon. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the links in the video description for all the buying options for this rack system for this vehicle. Also, when you have this rack system and you need additional assistance with installation, we have another video there that'll give you even more guidance for the full install of this rack system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.